Solana could rise 6.1% by December 21 based on crypto predictions analysis. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. Solana has dropped 0.3% in the past 24 hours and is trading right around $125.76. Let's transition to the analyst section. The forecast from crypto predictions suggests $133.47 by December 21, which is 6.1% higher than now. CoinLore sees potential for Solana to rise to $127.17, an increase close to 1.1%. Cryptonization points out it could drift down to $124.75, a projected decline close to 0.8%. Another projection from Digital Coin Price indicates Solana may slide to $119.52, a loss estimated at 5%. Finally, Gov Capital Collector forecasts a fall to $117.25 by tomorrow, 6.8% down. This one gives the best return. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. All 5 predictions are in. Here's what they collectively suggest. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a drop of 6.8% to a rise of 6.1%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Gov Capital Collector comes out on top with 6.8% boost in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could earn between $8 and $68 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, Cryptonization's forecast is the most dependable with a 94.1% chance of success. By merging the 5 forecasts, I've shaped a single consensus view. The consensus scenario shows Solana losing about 1.1% in value. Alright, let's dig in. Consensus guidance indicates a 1.1% slide by tomorrow. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 1.1%. For a 1,000 entry, this move could imply $11 gained. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 93.2%. Before diving deeper, let's take a look at the 3-day projections. Crypto predictions describe Solana as following a rising course. Similarly, CoinLore projects an ascending trajectory for Solana. For the coming days, Cryptonization sees the price holding steady without any strong trend developing. Digital Coin Price sees Solana trending lower. Also, Gov Capital Collector expects Solana to decline steadily. Analyst views combined indicate Solana will trade in a narrow range over the next 3 days. Looking across the forecasts, most analysts emphasize an optimistic stance, with Solana expected to push higher. 5 forecasts were made 2 days back. Now we see which ones matched reality. Ultimately, the market closed near $126.25. Yesterday's close showed that most of the forecasts were right about the direction. The most accurate forecast was made by CoinLore. Now for a clear breakdown. Yesterday's market included 4 forecasts in range. For ROI performance, every forecast delivered gains. Up next is the performance table. See how the forecasts actually played out. In the data, Gov Capital Collector shows 86.3% forecast probability and 2.5% ROI. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns showing Solana compared with the rest of the market. Forecast comparisons place Solana at 3rd place, with Dogecoin forecasting minus 2.2%. This view includes only 5 cryptocurrencies, and the full comparison of forecasted returns across many coins will also be added to my website and Telegram. Stay a step ahead, subscribe now to catch early syncs of the next big shift. See you in the next forecast.